You may have gotten fond of decentralized exchanges by now and would really feel that you are ready to invest. Now is the time when you will get to know how to get started with buying your favorite token across PancakeSwap with the help of MetaMask wallets. The first question one would have in mind is the selection of these platforms. The only answer to it is that they are among the best, which makes them the perfect option for any investor to start in. As you get into work with buying tokens of a project, it is very important to set yourselves up across these platforms. For this, there is a dire need to understand the necessity of going into the details of working through the platforms and setting your digital identity. There are different sets of procedures that users shall go into while talking about the process of buying their tokens across PancakeSwap. The process, as we believe, is not quite straightforward. However, it surely is simple if you follow everything to its roots. With the help of proper explanations, one would surely feel confident about investing their money into their favorite NFT project across a decentralized exchange with a wallet. Setting up your wallets. The very first step of buying your first cryptocurrency token involves setting up a new wallet. To make it simpler, it is important to remember the necessity of making a wallet for this purpose. Whenever anything is bought across a DeFi exchange, it is kept across a crypto wallet to ensure that the assets are secure and in place. To continue with the steps of setting up the crypto wallet, it is significant to open the initial website of MetaMask to continue with the procedure. Step 1. After accessing the official website of MetaMask on your browser, tap on the download button present across the top right of the interface to initiate download. Step 2. A new window opens on the front of your screen, demanding the confirmation of installing the wallet on your device. Tap on Install MetaMask for Chrome to use the wallet easily across your browser. Acting as a plugin, having your MetaMask on the browser is quite convenient. A link to the Chrome Web Store opens on the screen leading to the MetaMask extension. Step 3. Select the option of Add to Chrome to successfully install the extension onto your Chrome. A new pop-up will appear to confirm the process. Tap on Add Extension to continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, the homepage of this recently added extension shall open up. It is now important for you to set up your personal wallet where you can keep your digital assets. Select Get Started for starting the process in detail. Step 4. A new wallet is being created for you. Thus, tap on the option displaying Create a Wallet for proceeding with the step. Over the next window, fill out all the agreements and legal pursuance by selecting I agree for covering all the customer relations that are at hand. Once you select this option, the platform leads the user into setting up their device successfully. You will be required to set up a password for the wallet. As personal protection is necessary, figure out a good password and tap on Create to start a wallet. While covering all security provisions across the platform, it is important to save the recovery number through the option of Sweet Recovery Phrase. After obtaining the phrase, it is important to have it saved, which would be followed by confirmations and a successful creation of the MetaMask wallet. Buying BNB and shifting it to the MetaMask wallet. The next step involves buying Binance Coin BNB for your wallet. To successfully purchase tokens across PancakeSwap, this is an important step to be followed. Since you are pretty much aware of how to buy cryptocurrencies across an exchange, you can buy the Binance Coin BNB across an exchange such as Binance. You can try other exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, or eToro. We would be buying the BNB across a Binance account, which would be explained in detail for your better understanding. Follow the following steps for purchasing and shifting your BNB onto the newly created MetaMask wallet. Step 1. Select the amount of BNB you wish to buy. It should basically correspond with the amount of cryptocurrency tokens that you wish to buy on PancakeSwap. For example, buy $200 worth of BNB if you are looking to purchase $200 worth of cryptocurrency tokens across PancakeSwap. The next step requires the integration of the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, with the MetaMask wallet. This can only be achieved through manual addition. Step 2. Start with opening the MetaMask wallet extension on your Chrome browser. Log in with your credentials of the MetaMask wallet if signed out. You will observe a colored circle on the top right section of the screen. From there, You need to access the settings followed by networks from the list of settings that appear on the menu. Successfully reach the option of Add Network on the window that appears on the screen. Step 3. For integrating your wallet with the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, there are a set of settings that you need to ensure. Without these details, it is impossible to successfully carry out the process. Ensure that the following details are fully covered while integrating the BEP20 network. Network name, Smart Chain. New RPC URL, https://bsc/dataseed.binance.org. Chain ID, 56. Symbol, BNB. Block Explorer URL, https://bscscan.com. These options are provided whenever a user wishes to add a new network across their MetaMask wallet. Step 4. Open the Binance account and access the option of Wallets. Since the idea is about shifting the BNB coins across the MetaMask wallet, tap on Withdraw and select BEP20 as your network protocol. Add the wallet address of your MetaMask that you have acquired from your wallet settings and proceed to conclude the transfer of the BNB coins onto your wallet. BEP20 is believed to be the most efficient channel that helps users cover their transactions across different environments. Other networks such as ERC20 and BEP2 are not usually preferred. However, people also tend to use these networks. Connect wallet with PancakeSwap for seamless trading. As the BNB has been successfully transferred to the MetaMask wallet, the next step in this tutorial covers the process of buying the appropriate token across PancakeSwap. You should be very careful in selecting the tokens, as the guidelines for finalizing a crypto project for investment has been clearly explained. PancakeSwap is a DeFi exchange that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Most importantly, several DeFi and NFT projects that are not listed across a centralized exchange. The availability of extensive projects across the exchange is what makes a DeFi exchange and PancakeSwap unique. To successfully purchase a token across PancakeSwap, you are now advised to look into the steps and follow a similar guideline. Step 1. PancakeSwap can be accessed from its official website link for trading across the platform. Before proceeding, it is very important to connect the newly created MetaMask wallet. As it is your first time trading across PancakeSwap, these steps are quite necessary to be followed. You would see a Connect button on the top right of the screen. This would show a list of different supporting wallets, out of which you should select MetaMask or any other wallets, if you are considering trying them out for trading. As your MetaMask account is associated with your device, if you've created it across it, the DeFi exchange would locate and sense the existence of the account and automatically add and select it. Step 2. Since this is the first time working with PancakeSwap, there are several steps that are important for confirming a proper connection of PancakeSwap with the wallet. Over the Connect to Account page, select the appropriate options and proceed. You need to be clear about what networks you wish to add in the exchange options. For this, approve the options presented across the Allow this site to add a network page. Make sure that the Binance Smart Chain network is selected in the options. Step 3. Switch the network to the BSC mainnet wallet over the next page that appears, demanding the option of Allow this site to switch the network, and go back to the main page of PancakeSwap. If you would see your wallet address on the top right of the page, the wallet is successfully connected with PancakeSwap. This is your ticket to purchasing tokens easily across the exchange. Step 4. After leading to the exchange section, there are certain options which should be filled to successfully execute a transaction. In the Form section, you should select BNB as you have bought them and shift it across the MetaMask wallet for purchasing the tokens. In the To section, the contract address of the project that you want to invest in needs to be put in. This contract address can be retrieved from their official website. However, be very careful of all the scams that people put in with contract addresses. Make sure that the contract address is selected from an appropriate channel. As you are done adding the address, proceed to tap on Swap to carry out this transaction. However, there is another important metric that needs to be looked on before initiating the transfer. the user needs to set up a slippage tolerance, which can be managed across the same section. Set up a slippage tolerance as advised by the developer team, or try out different numbers and check out where the transaction can be carried out successfully. The bought tokens would be then added across the MetaMask wallet, which can be checked and observed within the wallet assets.